Hello, check. So, we just got a 5 minute candle close below the nine. It's 9 minutes until the Tokyo Open. I'm only in one micro right now, but I'm looking at this structure. We just had a close above the nine, and it's pumping right before the Open, though. What's gonna happen at the 8 o'clock Tokyo Open? Okay, we're up. We're pumping. And we had a nice, this could break structure here. Not sure, but we just had a dump at 7:35. It was just downtrending, and then we had a dump, and then it just bounced into the Tokyo Open. But 5 minute candle close above the nine. That's my signal. I might wait until the 8 o'clock Open to add. But if this goes, it could reach the top of this range here. That's a possibility, but or it could just bounce and continue this downtrend it's been in. It's been in a downtrend all day since 12:45. It's just been going down, down, down. But a lot of times it'll go down during New York, and then Asia session will push it back up. We had some issues with the camera, so no camera tonight. We'll work on that. And it's still going. I wonder if I should add here. Well, we've got a level. We've got a level that we could add. Oh my gosh, it's just going. I'm going to add one. I might add another one if it breaks this. But we could get to 8 o'clock open. It could get rejected. We got 6 minutes. Tokyo Open. Keep our stop at 5 points. About 5 points. Really, actually, might raise my stop to just below this candle, and that's also below the 9 here. So this is tricky because it could be a reversal, or it could just continue the trend. So 5 points on 2 micros is risking $100. This is risking about $86. Oh, nope, rejected. Right before 7:55 candle close. There's the kit. Look at how that closed. Oh, that's not a good sign. That's not a good. Look at this close. Doji. Flat doji. Oof. I hate those flat dojis. That could mean, because I saw this doji close above the 9 and then it reversed. Does that mean this? That means it's going to reverse again? Possibly. We'll see in 5 minutes. Yeah, I'm gonna, right before 8 o'clock open, I'm gonna tighten my stop real tight, because it could reverse. Ooh, that's a nice push. But normally what happens before 8 o'clock is, or at 8 o'clock, it'll continue what it's been doing. So if it closed above the 9, it should continue this reverse. But how high? I'm looking at this high. And this, it could go as far as this high, which is 17 points. But we're just hanging out around my entry. Wow, this is really pumping before the open. What does that mean? I'm not sure. Okay, we've got, I'm gonna mark this high, this as a level, this 5 minute, where it got rejected back here at 650. A little over an hour ago, got rejected at this level. So that's gonna be a level of interest. I mean, it could smash through. What if it smashes through that level? I might add here, I might take 2 off and leave 1 runner to this high, which is like 16 points. I've seen it go 16 points. Got a close, we got a doji close, and this is a big green bullish close here. Let's see what Tokyo does. I might raise, we got 2 minutes till Tokyo. Raise my stop to just below this 5 minute candle. We are tightening our stop because volatility is going to come in at 8 o'clock here. So, yeah, it's just look at this bounce though. It's already bounced like 18 points from the lows here in 20 minutes. That's a big bounce. That might be, I mean, we don't know. We don't know. I already know what we're going to do. We're going to leave 1 runner here. We're going to do limit sell 2 here at this high. This really starts moving. So this little section, we're going for like 7 points. The next high. 759. Okay, it should continue here. It's either going to continue or reverse. We got a tight stop loss here. You know, if I had it at 2.5, that's risking $50. Yeah, we'll risk $50 on this. We'll add 1. Take 2 off at this level. Take full profit at this level. Whoa, there's the open. There's the open. Oh boy. Oh boy, we're jumping around. What are we going to do here? We're going to dip. We're going to dip. Nope. We're going to bounce. We're going to dip and bounce. We're going to bounce and we're going to reverse. We're going to reverse. Okay. Down $54. Okay. Now it's bouncing again. To see if it breaks this level, I can always get back in with my full size. Man, it pulled back hard. Maybe I shouldn't have had my stop so tight. It pulled back 4.5 points. Yeah, I'd like to. I mean, it could. If this closes below the 9, we are shorting. We're going to short this. Deciding what it wants to do here. It's going to break this high and go higher. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. See, what I should have done is just gotten in here and had my stop loss. My normal system is to get in on the candle close above the 9, 5-point stop loss. My stop should have been way down here. Oh, now we're in. Oh, shoot! It's moving! What's going on here? Yep, it stopped us out, and then it's running what we were looking to do. Are you serious? Okay. I'm looking for these highs. Oh boy. We were right. We were right. We just had our stop too tight. Yeah. Okay. Now what are we going to do now? So if I'm looking for 10 points from the candle close, that's... Oh! It just almost hit... Man. I just got to trade my system, man. See, if I would have traded my system, candle close above the 9, 5-point stop loss, and then just let it run 10 points. And it just went 9.8 points. But we are looking, it's reversing. Oh, it breaks that. Maybe it's going to be a break and retest. Here we go, break and retest. Dang, we were up $100 and it just got rejected. I don't like this. Yeah, it's kind of a little bit nerve-wracking trying to long when the overall structure is bearish, you know. I mean, look at this 15-minute on gold. 9 p.m. Monday night. It's been down, little bounce down. See, so we're in a downtrend. I'm hoping sometimes it'll bounce in Asia session, but I'm trading against the trend right now, which is very dangerous. Trading against the trend, and now it's like back to my entry. Are you okay? If it breaks this, I want to be out. Oh, you're serious? I was up $100. See, it broke out, and it went 3.4 points. Oh, there's the 5-minute candle close. Okay, that's a big green close, but it seems to be possibly losing steam here. Is it losing steam? Could be possibly losing steam and then getting ready to reverse. Man, see, that was my system. I saw that close. I got in late. I got in here. I don't know what happened. That was my system. Come on, man. This is not looking good here. This is not looking good. You know what? I'm gonna get out of this. I'm gonna put my stop at break even. I'm just gonna trail this because I don't. This is really sketchy. This is really sketch, man. Yeah, we're out. Whatever. It's not moving. Not much of a move there. Nope, it's bouncy. No. Oh, right when I get out, it starts to go up. I don't know what happened. Now we got back in because it's just pumping. Man, we should not have gotten out. We should have just held this. Totally. And now it's hitting this next level I was looking at. Well, let's just hope it. Oh my gosh. Okay, gold. Man, I should have stayed in that. I was in way down here. My stop was too tight. Stop was too tight. Gotta be patient. Yep. I'm gonna get out of 2 here and then leave a runner. Or maybe. Sheesh. What? It's pumping. What's NASDAQ doing? Yeah, NASDAQ's looking like it's pumping too. They've been moving together lately. They don't do that all the time, but NASDAQ and gold sometimes do the same thing, similar. But NASDAQ's more jumpy. Oh man, what? I mean, that. Look at this. This is my system. It's just I didn't execute. We have this candle close above the 9 EMA. See, that's what I'm working on. I'm working on my execution. And it has gone now 16 points from that. You take a long when it crosses the 9, you do a 5-point stop loss. It's already up 16 points. I don't know what's. I'm gonna get out of 1.
Order filled.
Okay, we got out of 1. Yeah, this was really bad execution on my part. You take the candle close above the 9, you do a 5-point stop loss, and you go for 10 points, and now it's up 16. Wonder if it'll go further or if it's done. Let's get out of another one. I'm gonna join ask on 1. Oh boy, it might be done here.
Order filled.
And we're gonna move our stop to break even. And we're gonna leave this runner. Oh man, it seems like as soon as I get out, it will pump. That's right. Oh my gosh, my system worked perfectly on this trade. Look at this. There was a downtrend. The stochastics were at the bottom. Let's get out. We're out. It was just, look at this. And then we're only up $30 because of terrible execution. That's all right. If I would have executed properly, 16 points. See, my target was these highs, and it's not quite reaching these highs. I think it's done. I think this move is done. We're going to start looking for the next move. We're going to move this and wait till it breaks structure to the downside and closes below the 9. I'm going to pause recording and come back when the next trade is ready to go. Okay, we're back, and yeah, it's about to break this structure. It's about to close below the 9. You can see that it's right at a support level. You can see on the 100 tick chart where it broke through, it retested, and that's where I got out, and then it pumped like 10 points. So nice. That's a little embarrassing. Got out here and it pumped. That's great. Anyways, next trade. We're looking for this break of structure. We're looking for it to break below this support level. Broke, retested, ran. Now it's running into this level. Will it bounce or will it break through? I think if it breaks through this level and closes below the 9, it's going to go further because we're in a downtrend. That's why I was nervous about longing in an overall downtrend. But when it dumps in the New York session, Asia likes to pump gold back up for some reason. Happens a lot. Not all the time. Oh, and we get, look at this. We got stochastics crossing at the top. This is a perfect setup. We're going to take this. If this can break this and close below the 9, we got 1 minute till this candle closes. Or it could bounce here. We don't know. We're tickling the 9 EMA right now. It's tickling the 9. Oh, it's breaking. It's breaking. It's breaking the 9. I'm going to wait for confirmation here. I'm going to wait for confirmation. It's below the 9. We got 20 seconds. It's like at the 9, but it did break this support. We got 13, 12, 10, 9, 8. Okay, yeah, it's going. It's going to close below the 9. 3, 2, 1. There's the close. That's a bearish close. We're going to add... I don't know. Okay. Well, now my stop loss changed. Oop. Okay, so it broke that level. Man, I should have gotten in here. It's already down 5 points from breaking that low. So that was a nice close below the 9 here. I'm just going to lower my stop to 5 points. If it goes further, we're adding one more to... We're keeping our max position size at 3 micros on this funded. Trying to baby this account and be very careful. So if we close below the 9, then what's our profit target? Well, there's 10 points. Well, obviously, our profit target, what is that level? I don't know what this level is from. So we're going to move it. Obviously, then we added us into 3. Max position size here. Lowering stop to 5 points because our average entry changed with this. Okay, we broke structure. Stochastics were up. Now, according to my system, it should go to this. It should hit this low. So we will see. Or it could just bounce and stop me out. It's pretty much right back at the entry of the last trade with the close above the 9 bounce. Well, kind of stalling here. Now we got buyers coming in. Now we got buyers coming in. Now we got buyers coming in. Should we let it stop us out? Well, what's... Oh no, not supposed to move your stop. Okay, what's my stop loss from the entry? It's this. Yeah, I would say if it breaks above this level that it broke through, then the trade is invalidated. So we're at a 7-point stop loss. I don't know how much money that is. That's a big stop loss. It's 72 times 3 micros. It's $216 stop loss right now. Oh. No, we got rejected. We're just trusting our system. It's, wow. So it's really consolidating right here. Sometimes it does this before it bounces back up. Well, my stop is above the 9. Bro, what? Why is this bouncing? This is not my... Why is this bouncing? Shouldn't be bouncing. Oh, it's at 8:30. It's almost 8:30. Things change at the top of the hour and the bottom of the hour, so see what happens at 8:30. Sheesh. We got 30 seconds till the 30-minute candle closes. Are we just gonna keep bouncing? Wait till 8:30, man. What? Now what do we do? This is bouncing. 5, almost 8:30. It could be a breakdown and a retest. There we go. There's the 8:30. Yeah. It's not looking good here. 5 points. 5 points is that resistance level. If it breaks this, the trade's invalidated, and we just got a big loss. We're just gonna have to take the loss. Man, candle closed below, broke structure. It's supposed to go down. It's not supposed to bounce here. Man, I that last trade I executed so bad. Well, probably because I had a rough day at work today. Can't let that affect my trading. So we're down 4.3 points. Should we get out here? I mean, another possibility is see how it broke through, it retested, and then wham. So this broke through, it's now retesting, and it could go either way, really. Yeah, if it breaks this high, the trade's invalidated. Man, I was adding shorting at the bottom. That's great. Yeah, I'm not liking this. I might just call it. I might just call it a loss.
Order
We're out.
filled.
That's a bad. That's a loss. We can always get back in. Okay, I got out up here, and then now it's going down. So this would have been the correct entry. Candle close below the 9. Oh my gosh. And it goes to,
Order filled.
so we're getting back in. If it breaks this, man, I should have held. I thought it was gonna go through that, but no, it went, retested this, and then bounced down, which is exactly what I thought it would do. Yeah, same stop loss. I should have just, no. And now we had a 5-minute candle close bearish here. The temptation to DCA here. Temptation to DCA. Resist the temptation to DCA. Okay. Yep, this is, it's turning into Asia market slowness. See, my trade is still valid. See, I got out at the top, and then we're tempted to add 4 micros here if it breaks this low, and get into 5 micros, targeting these lows here. We've got the 9 o'clock open coming in like 21 minutes. But we are just slow poking around here. It broke, it retested, and it should continue. But right now it's consolidating sideways. So we might have to wait till the 9 o'clock open for this to start moving again. We'll see what happens here. Okay, it's looking like it wants to break this low here. Looking like it wants to. No? Will it break the low or not? It's thinking about it. It's really thinking about it. If it breaks the low, I'm going to grab my stop and just trail it. We're targeting this low. I mean, it's been in a downtrend all day. The trend is your friend until the end. So let's see if that's actually true. Okay, the 9 EMA is curving down, so that's a good sign. 5 minute stochastics are just in the middle, indecisive. 15-minute looks like they want to curve down. 30-minute, oh, looked like they want to curve up. So mixed signals here. Yeah, it bounced off of that low again. It bounced. We might have to wait till 9. We got 17 minutes. So basically what happened with our strategy, it closed below the 9, bounced back up, and then now it's just going sideways.